Well, happy Tuesday, folks. I want to do a quick little video for you guys just to prep you for our live event tonight. So if you want to check out our live event, me and Kyle from Win the House You Love, we're going to do a special event tonight, and it is right here, Millennials, Mortgages, and Home Ownership. How we can answer any questions that you guys have. If you're a millennial out there, or even if you're just a person out there that's like, can I buy a house in today's market? How much do I need down? What if I don't have any money? What programs are there out there? Well, don't fret. We're going to have all this today. So to prep you for that, we're going to show you a couple things that we're going to go over. I did several videos in the past couple weeks about those out there with student loan debt. If you have student loan debt, you need to use this system. Now it can be a free system or it could be a paid system. But let me walk you through this, how easy this is to maneuver through it. If you have student loan debt, you got to check this out. All you do is you go to this website, you fill out some of this information. What it does is it qualifies you for your income-based payment plan that the federal government has in place. So you can use this for your student loan debt to figure out how much you can drive down that payment. Another thing that a lot of people ask is, what if I don't have any money for a down payment? How can I buy a house and how much do I really need? So if you just Google, down payment assistance, here's what comes up for those that don't have any money for down payment. So what can you do? How can people get money if they don't have any money? Well, the one thing is home down payment assistance programs. We have about 20 of them, but I can honestly say there's about 15 of them are just completely junk, but the other ones are fantastic. You're going to learn about this as well. So if you don't have any money for a down payment, you may be able to qualify for a mortgage otherwise, because with inflation right now, the cost of rent going up 20% a year, it's going to be hard to save some money. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys through is some of the websites that we've created to help you guys. If you're out there and you're a little bit credit challenged, you don't want to figure out what's my credit score, what can I do to figure out, how I can increase my scores. We created a site for you right here. It is called creditscoresandmore.com. The one thing I'd ask you to do is just go down here, and you always have to use the free system. This data it might launch you to a system you already have. If you do, kudos to you. If it's not, set up this system. It's a free system. It's one that I use personally. I don't really subscribe to any of the perk accounts like the paid services because the free version is good enough. But if you really want to find out your credit score that we will pull as the lender, you need to pull your true credit score. And if you use this link, it is affiliate link. I make a couple bucks if you do use it, but you get a huge discount when you apply for this because you get about 20% off what the cost is. And that's going to actually help you there. The next piece of the puzzle we want to really discuss is we'll break down how mortgage rates are affecting the home ownership. So what we're looking at today for those newbies out there, what you're seeing on the screen is we monitor on a daily basis what's going on with mortgage rates, because the higher the mortgage rates get, the less affordable a house is. So what this is telling us right here, which you're going to learn also tonight, is how mortgage rates work. So right here, we're watching mortgage-backed securities. It's a bond that trades on Wall Street that we follow because the bond yield on this thing, it's a bond with a yield. The yield is basically the biggest component of your mortgage rate, and you're going to learn about this as well. But what we're seeing right now is the price of the bond is going up 19 ticks. What does that mean? Well, when a price of a bond goes up, it actually has an inverse relationship with the bond yield, or in this case, because it's a mortgage, your mortgage rate. So as the price goes up, what happens is mortgage rates come down. Well, we love that, but if you see on the chart, we don't have a lot of up arrows. It's a lot of red down arrows. So what happens when the price goes down? Well, exactly what you've been seeing for the past year. Rates go up. So you're going to learn that as well. And then today we see an uptick right now of 19 basis points. What that's going to do for mortgage rates? Well, here I'm going to also teach you where to find mortgage rates. Okay, we use Mortgage News Daily on a daily basis. It's just a simple format. Here's what you get. So if you sign up down below to Mortgage News Daily, you're going to get this report every day. But if you sign up to my newsletter down there, you're going to get this as well as a slew of other information. But this tells us the top 6 products that people use when they're buying their first house. You can see the 30-year fixed, the 15-year, the jumbo, and it goes accordingly. So these aren't my rates. These are the national averages. How you find out my rates and reach out to us for assistance, pretty simple. You go to therateupdate.com and you can find us in multiple ways. You can, right up here, it gives us our phone number. You can apply online. You can book a meeting. I highly suggest you book a meeting. That's where you're going to have a one-on-one consultant with me or one of my financial advisors or mortgage advisors. I didn't mean financial advisors, scrap that out, but one of our mortgage advisors to educate and inform you guys everything real estate. Okay, especially on the interest rate section. So please don't forget to join us tonight on our live event. It's a special event. We're actually making it one day earlier because of Thanksgiving, so hopefully you can join us then. So God bless. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to come back later tonight. If you like my videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. Take care, guys. See you later today. Bye-bye.